Alright guys, just finished up another 2024 AT4 HD. Got the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series kit on this one. The difference in the Performance Series is you're going to get the upper control arms, resi shocks, and your pitman and idle arm brace. Did the 22x10 Hostile Alpha black and milled 35-12-50 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Now because of the negative offset on this paired with the track width increase, there is some plastic trimming that has to take place. You can see we did swap to the Kelderman rear caps, trim the inner plastics here, trim the inner plastics across the front. We moved the bumper forward 3/4 of an inch, and then still had to trim slightly on the bottom corner of the bumper here. Now, if I can get it to focus. Now, pretty much any oversized tire on these trucks is going to require some trimming in that area just because it rolls inward so far. You could get by without doing the bumper modifications if you wanted to trim more on that plastic. That's really just up to you and how you want your truck to look. Tires clarified now once all that's taken place. This setup looks really good. We've done several other ones with 37s with the factory wheels, so you tell me which one you like better. The offset with 35s or the factory wheels and 37s. Still looks very proportionate with this setup. Now, I would not put 37s with this offset wheel with this lift. I would go on up to like the 5-inch BDS that doesn't increase the track width if you chose to do that. Resi's in the rear as well. I can get a better view down here. It's a 2-inch block here, and you've got your bump stop extension there. Really nice looking truck. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.